2013 Honda Odyssey, and we are doing an oil change. Let's get to it. All right, over at the computer, we can see that the vehicle requires 5W20 Premium Synthetic 5.5 quarts. And we're going to be using the CarQuest Romeo 84356 oil filter. All right, underneath the vehicle, you can see our drain plug right here. It is a 17 millimeter. Put my camera down real quick. And while that's draining, we can go ahead and grab the oil filter located right behind, right behind the passenger front tire. I'm going to move my catch can a little bit closer. There we go. Give that a good spin to let the oil drain out. Back away so I don't get oil all over the camera. And with that used motor oil that you've got all over your hand now, go ahead and use that to lubricate up the new oil filter and install it. And once you get that on there, just hand tight. Don't crank it down. Don't go crazy on it. Just hand tight. And with that oil done draining, go ahead and put that drain plug back in. And just give it a good tug. Don't break nothing, don't strip out the threads, just a good tug. And of course, once you're done with that, go ahead, clean everything off. Especially this frame right here likes to get saturated in oil right below the oil filter right there. Make sure everything's nice and clean so that if you see oil there later, you'll know that you have a potential oil leak, not that you just left a mess on your vehicle. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add the oil now. As you can see, it's down here in just an absolutely terrible position. You're gonna have to dislocate your wrist to get to it. Now to make it easier, you can undo this thing by rotating these clips, which I think these are broken. I don't feel like I should be able to move them this easy. Go. Move that out of the way. Give us a little bit more space, I guess. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use this transmission funnel. It'll give us the height that we need. I don't care if it takes longer, I just don't feel like spilling it and making a mess. And add our 5.5 quarts. And then take a break so it can actually drain out. Alright, go ahead and put this oil cap back on before I put that plastic piece back on, because this gave me a lot more room. Just put that down tight, put your plastic piece back on, and let's get to the oil life reset. Alright, 2013 Honda Odyssey. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. This is one with the physical key. It's not a push button. Unfortunately, when I was trying to remember how to do it, I accidentally reset it. But I'm going to go over the step-by-step process. First, turn your key to the on position. Utilizing these information buttons and this select/reset button hidden behind the steering wheel here, you're going to scroll up until you find the oil reset. It'll have, mine had 15%. It'll just say whatever percentage of oil you have left. Once you get that, hold the reset button for a good 10 to 15 seconds and it'll pop up saying, do you wish to reset? And then press it again and it'll reset your oil life. And after that, you'll be good to go. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and we will see you next time.